Weeyu makes charging quite simple. New energy vehicle age has come. With the popularity of electric vehicles, EV charging stations will be everywhere. Is there any innovation making the production, maintenance, and operation of charging stations simpler? In the past 30 years, InJet Electric is focusing on industrial power supply, understanding the industry well, and looking for solutions. We focus on the R&D and manufacturing of industrial power equipment, represented by power controller and special power supply, and applied in new materials field represented by photovoltaic, new energy, polysilicon, monosilicon, optical fiber, and semiconductor, as well as applied in power application such as nuclear power plant, military manufacturing, particle accelerator, and other fields, providing power solutions for national major projects. Our honor, National High-Tech Enterprise, National Intellectual Property Advantage Enterprise, Sichuan Province 400 Excellent Private Enterprises, Sichuan Province Provincial Enterprise Technology Center, Sichuan Province Cultivation Enterprise of Innovative Enterprise Construction, Deyang First Batch Academician Expert Workstation. We have established our perfect supply chain production quality control management system, making us better understand customers' demands and can be transformed into the core competitiveness of products in a rapid way. Moreover, we have established stable cooperation with many well-known manufacturers. As a wholly owned subsidiary of InJet Electric, we focus on the R&D and production of EV charging stations and its core components. In just 3 years, our products have been distributed in most parts of the country, such as Sichuan, Chongqing, Northwest, and East China, and some products have been exported to Occident. The traditional charging station is assembled from multiple components such as DC watt-hour meter, voltage detection transmitter, insulation detector, controller, switching power supply module, relay, AC contactor, and DC contactor. The charging station assembled like this, not only the production assembly process is complicated, the equipment failure rate is high, but also the operation and maintenance is complicated and the cost is high. Relying on the technical R&D advantages of the parent company InJet, after years of technical research, in 2019, Weeyu took the lead in launching integrated EV charging power controller in the industry and obtained a number of national patents and applied for PCT international patent. We integrate all the core components of the charging stations, such as main control unit, DC contactor, auxiliary power supply, insulation detection unit, etc., making the EV charging stations control unit highly integrated. It makes the production and assembly of charging stations quite simple. The equipment operation is particularly stable. The maintenance and transportation is convenient. We are bringing the disruptive innovation to the industry. Our vision to be a first-class R&D and manufacturing enterprise of charging stations and core components. Our mission to create higher value for our customers with our innovative products and services. Weeyu makes charging quite simple.